just about that time. Families are putting the finishing touches on their Halloween costumes if they haven't already, and heading out the door to trick-or-treat tonight.
In just a few hours, all the candy bags will be filled, but as we hear from 22 News reporter Julie McDonald tonight, wallets may be feeling a little bit lighter.
Ghosts and spirits and goblins, you gotta watch out for that stuff.
But this year, it's Minions, bearded Red Sox, and zombies you'll be seeing. Almost half of Americans will wear a Halloween costume, and they'll spend about $28 on average to dress up. According to the National Retail Federation, Halloween spending has increased 55% since 2005. It's in part because the Halloween season has expanded. Whereas years ago it was celebrated over weekend, today people celebrate all month long. The way people wear costumes has changed too. Schools are stricter, and adult venues have specific dress code rules as well.
You can't go into a club now wearing a mask, which years ago that used to be a big part of the costume thing. Now you have to have identification when you go in. I mean, it's just the world we live in today.
Spear said years ago people would be more creative and flexible coming up with costumes. Today they have a picture in their head or on their iPhone, and there's no straying from the details. It's why package costumes have become more popular. 22 News caught up with one family grabbing some last-minute makeup Thursday morning. They're already thinking about spending for next year.
There's a lot of stuff still, and hopefully we could buy a costume for next year. So it'll be 50% tomorrow.
And no one's forgetting the family cat or dog. Americans will spend $330 million on pet costumes this Halloween. Julie McDonald, 22 News.